Hey everybody, it's John, aka Golden John Ion, with another quick hit computer tip. Here's a quick question. Do you love TV shows and movies? Are you one of those people with a large media collection? Would you like access to your collection whenever and wherever you are? Well, in this video, I will show you how. First thing you need to do is open a browser and search for an application called Plex Media Server. Navigate to the download page and download the version of Plex Media Server that is suitable for your version of Windows. Once downloaded, navigate to the installer file and begin installing Plex Media Server. Now that it's installed, you will need to configure Plex to find all of your media. To make this easier, organize all of your media in one centralized location so that Plex can easily locate it. Once this is done, you will need to create a Plex account, then sign into it. To do this, open Plex by clicking on the taskbar arrow and selecting Plex. This will open a browser for you to log in or create an account. Select Create an Account and input the requested information. Now that you have an account, log in and you will be asked to configure your Plex server for the first time. After giving your media server a name, you will be then asked to add your media by type. Select the media type you want to add, select Next, then click on the Browse for Media folder button to add your media. Repeat these steps for other media types you would like to add to the server. Once you finish this step, Plex will open a new page displaying your media. Please note that you will need to give it some time to fully allow Plex to scan, organize, and display your media, but once this is done, you will be able to view your own media in a similar way to most major streaming platforms. And just like those platforms, you can now experience your media whenever and wherever you are by opening up the Plex app on a smart device or by navigating to the website plex.tv on a computer, then logging in with your account information. As long as your media server is running with a stable internet connection, you will always have access to your favorite music, movies, or TV shows at the touch of a finger. And there you go, you now have a fancy media server to impress all your friends with. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.